I create honest and non-sponsored product reviews on multiple platforms like lifestyle, fashion, home, living, sport and extra. So the product I review here is the product I have purchased on my own, also tested and used, so which means simply no promotions. Also, if you are tired of some kind of a biased reviews outside, and if you are looking for some honest advice, so you are at the right place guys, don't worry. So let's directly jump into the review part. So you can manage your family plan, data and everything in this Airtel Thanksgiving app. I will show you all the details about the topic. Okay, so this is the dashboard guys. Here you can find 3115 GB left, which means the carry forward data also will be accumulated. Also you can set the auto pay for your all the recharge. No need to manually pay the things. You can set the auto pay from your bank account. Then every month the amount will be deducted. Okay, and this is the managing service section where you can manage all your family, which means all your family members sim card and data, everything can be managed in this one. So we will see all the details. And you see the claim OTT. So once you opt this family plan, there is a OTT claim will be there. You can claim the OTT streaming music things. So we will show you, I will show you one by one. Okay, so you can click on the arrow mark, postpaid arrow mark, to see the current plan details. So it will drop into this page. So you see currently my plan is set to 999 infinity plan. Okay, and in this they provide 90 GB data, unlimited calls and 100 SMS per day. Okay, so to see all other benefits you need to click on the view details. So this is the amount guys, 999 plus GST, which means around 1200 rupees will be coming for every month including the GST. So 150 GB is the total one. Okay, so every add-on, meaning every sim you add, the 30 GB will be extra. Okay, so totally 90 plus 60 GB, 150 GB is total. So 3 sim card, 1 primary sim, 2 additional sim. So 100 SMS for all the sim cards and unlimited calls, Amazon Prime 6 months, Disney Hotstar 1 year, Extreme Play, there is a streaming app, and some insurance, Hello Tune you can set. So these all are the things. So you see Amazon Prime is a 6 months. After 6 months you need to again subscribe the Amazon Prime. Similarly Disney Hotstar also, after 1 year you need to subscribe again, you need to additionally do that. Okay, so now compare the all other plan details, family plan details. For that you can click on this change plan. So it will be landed into one dashboard where you can find all other family plans. You see 1700, so this is the 999 plan, currently I am using it. Similarly 1700, 1400, all the plans are there. So click on the view details for the 1400 plan. So you see the price will be 1400 plus GST, which means around 1600 will come. For this 240 GB total and 30 GB will be additional for the each sim. Okay, so there are 4 sims you can manage, one primary, another 3 is the additional ones. For these similar to everything is the same except that Netflix, you see Netflix basic lifetime, so that will be the additional compared to the 999 plan, and one sim is extra, and the data will also be increased compared to the 999 plan. So similarly if you compare 700 plan, you can click on this one, view details, and it will load into the detailed plan page. So here you see the amount will be 700 plus GST, which means around 850 900 rupees will come. 105 GB is the total one. Only you can manage 2 sims. Okay, so rest of the everything is same, similar to the 999 plan, and data everything will be reduced. So now let's talk about how we can monitor the data we using, also how we can set the limit for each SIM card. Okay, so this is the usage section where you can find the set limit and data add-on. Okay, first let's talk about the set limit. Click on that one. So for a privacy purpose, I have erased the mobile numbers, but you see the minus and the plus button. Using that you can set the limit for the each SIM. So only up to 40 GB for this user can be used. Similarly 30 GB I have set for another mobile number. So but the total data is 150 GB. Okay, so now if you click on the data add-on, suppose if you have completely used all the 150 GB, additionally you can use this data add-on to purchase some additional data. For that you need to pay additionally. For 15 GB you need to pay 120. Similarly all other price details are there. So friends, let's see how we can manage the family each SIM card. So you can click on this manage family from here, or you can from the main menu you can click on it. Okay, you see the highlighted one, the first one is the primary SIM and second one is the child SIM, third one is the another child SIM. Okay, so the primary SIM only the bills will be generated on that name. So you should be make sure, suppose if you are claiming something, you should be make sure for that name. Okay, so you can additionally add the another SIM also, invite member, using this one. Okay, so the amount will be around 300 rupees for additional SIM card. So there are other details also there, you can see the transaction history and everything. Okay, now let's talk about how we can claim the OTT and other benefits. Okay, so once you purchase this family plan, you need to go to this claim OTT section. Okay, so there will be a section like this is the Apollo insurance thing, and similarly the streaming OTTs like Amazon Prime for 6 months, Extreme, Airtel Extreme, and Disney Plus Hotstar for 1 year, and Wink music, you can listen their songs. Also you can set the hello tunes. So you need to click on this claim button, there will be claim button, you need to say claim it. Okay, so let's conclude this topic guys. Okay, so what I really love about this family plan is, first point is we can easily monitor the data usage for the each SIM card. Also we can set the limit for the each SIM, that I really like it. So according to this usage we can easily act how much data is left and how much data is carry forward. So accordingly we can act the things. Okay, and second point what I really like is one recharge for all SIM cards. You no need to do the recharge for individual SIM. So one recharge will be completely do all the other SIM cards. Okay, so we can link the bank to do the auto pay also. So recharge will be done automatically for every month. So that can be done. And the multi benefits like OTT and music platforms like Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hotstar, Wing Music, Airtel Extreme Play. So these kind of OTT platforms and music platforms are there, part of this family plan. The point what I really like is the one will be generated under one name, so we can be used for the company claim and all. So all the recharge, the amount, everything can be claimed at the one bill. Improvement or the dissatisfaction, I can say the price is increasing rapidly every month on month, since the telecom regulatory, right, they are increasing the prices every year on year. So that I can clearly see. So it is common, and the second one what I see, it is very limited OTT subscription like 6 months and 1 year. So after 6 months and 1 year again you need to do the subscription by paying additional amount. So this I could say kind of a drawback. It can be improved. I suggest to increase the subscription period at least for 1 or 2 years. And third one what I see is currently I'm using some kind of a Wi-Fi in my home for data usage. So often like my mobile data are getting unused or carry forwarded to the next month. Also some point of time it will be elapsed also. So this kind of things are there. So according to your requirements. So please choose the correct family plan. Okay. Finally, I could say this family plan is for someone who is looking for to monitor all your data, control the data with having the multiple OTT streaming platforms, also with one recharge. So definitely you can go ahead and purchase this family plan. Friends, if you found this product reviews very helpful and useful to you, so please do subscribe the channel. Also, I have given the product link and other collection details in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. Also, if you have any questions and clarifications related to this product, so please comment down. So I will try to address as soon as possible. So again, we will meet with the another good product review. Until then, bye from positive, stay healthy. Cheers.